make them out of some flip-flop and call it crops. Remember, if they try to fight you, you gotta tell them, no, 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 don't bite me. That's the only way. Look, okay, we out, guys. That's the camp of scientists. Finally, we out, finally. I know where we are. My girlfriend works here. Let me talk to them. Oh, man. Which one is my girlfriend? Maybe the middle one. I mean, she's like reading. Oh, get down, guys. It's the gorilla. Look, the gorilla got a gun. She got a pistol. Okay, from now on, we gotta talk to let's go. Protect your head to not get shot. Don't stop. Whoa! I'm telling you. It's gonna hurt. You gotta react fast in it. Let's go. It's all one flying. Sit tight, everyone. Boom! The skip was so good that he thought all the money to brought everyone to the African safari. Welcome to Africa. Wow, have you guys been to Africa? What animal do we see here? Elephant.
Elephant.
Giraffe.
Back in the back.
Zebra. What else? And mosquitoes. They are everywhere. I hate them. Anyway, I'm gonna ask you a question about these animals. See who is the smartest on this boat. On your left hand side, this one is a male African elephant. And on your right hand side, this one is a female. Do you guys know why? That's because women are always right. Okay, let's go. Boom. I dropped something. What is it? Knowledge. Big brain. Are you a big brain, my friend? Oh, come out of the water. What is that? Be careful. It's a hippo. Oh, man. Look at this one. This one got a hairy nose. Wow. The smell is strong. I think someone farted on my boat. Who was that? It's definitely you. What's going on? They're having a party. Where's the sign up? No! We found them! These are the missing scientists. The bottom one, the one who's laughing. That's my friend. His name's Captain Steve. He looks like his blood is in danger. Should we save them? Yeah? Just randomly pick spot right here. Whatever got picked, you gotta go up there. We're doing an exchange. No? I'm the first one? Alright, let's go! Say goodbye to the bye-bye! Yeah, keep it light. He doesn't wear shoes. Do you know why? Because he's a cool guy. Where are we? Look, it's the native. Let's say hello to them. Hello! Konnichiwa. Do you speak Japanese? Oh! Okay, I guess so. Sit down, guys, let's go! Arrow right here. No, I saved you. You're welcome. Everybody okay? Awesome. Look, right now, 11 o'clock. What is it? You guys see that? No? It's home. We're going back home. It's been 3 days. Yay! We're finishing our 3-day trip. Sweet home. Alright, everybody sit tight. You guys... Oh! Okay. Change route. I guess we're done. Oh no, you all lost your captain. Wow. What is this place? You know what? Full speed. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Full speed. Oh no. Explosion. We're going back that way. Have you look at it. Anyway, out back there. We burned. Oh no. There's no way out. We're trapped. I repeat. We're trapped. What happened? Oh. I think that's the god of fire. Wow. I never seen that like that before. What do we do? Have you guys watched Lion King? I learned this from Lion King. Watch this. We made it, guys! Yeah! Wow, my voice. It feels so good to be alive, guys. Celebrate loud. Who's that? Shut up. Oh! It's your best friend. I'm sorry. That's me. No. The same baby elephant we met 2 days ago, remember? He came all the way here to say goodbye. Let's say goodbye. Bye-bye. Sayonara. He's Japanese too. We're almost there. Before we head back, I want to make sure everybody's arms and hands are off the edge of my boat, okay? Hands inside. Arms inside. Great. Off we go. Check out his hairstyle. That's the best hairstyle